In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Xero password. Whether you're doing this as a routine security measure or because you've forgotten your old password, changing your password regularly is a good practice to keep your account secure. Let's walk through the process. First off, once you're logged into your Xero account, you'll want to direct your attention to your profile photo on the dashboard. Now, if you haven't set a photo, you'll be looking for a placeholder image or perhaps your initials, which will serve the same purpose. This spot is typically easy to find at the top right of your screen. Clicking on your profile photo will open up a drop-down menu with several options, and what you want to select here is Account. By choosing this, you'll be taken right into the account settings page where you can make a host of adjustments. Our focus here is, of course, changing your password. As you explore the account settings, you'll spot the option to update your password. This step is crucial because it's the gateway to better securing your account. Updating passwords regularly fortifies your account against unauthorized access. When you're ready, click on Change Your Password. Here, you'll be asked to input your current password along with the new password you wish to set. When creating your new password, it's highly advisable to opt for a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. This mix will ensure your password is not only strong, but unique, providing enhanced security against any potential breaches. Once you've filled in your new password and confirmed it by typing it again, keep an eye out for an option to update your preferences. You're almost there. Clicking Update Preferences will save your changes, effectively updating your password. And with that simple action, you've successfully changed your password on Xero. Remember, maintaining a unique password and changing it at regular intervals is an integral part of safeguarding your account from security threats. This small step forms a significant part of your digital security strategy. Just an extra tip: if you've been using your Xero password on other platforms, which we generally advise against, ensure those are updated as well. It's often easy to overlook, but doing so is paramount for comprehensive security across your online presence. In today's digital environment, where cyber threats are continuously evolving, taking such proactive measures is not just best practice, it's a necessity. To sum it all up, always ensure your new password is memorable for you, but difficult for others to figure out. And if keeping track of numerous passwords is challenging, consider a reputable password manager. These tools are designed to securely manage your passwords, thus enabling you to maintain good security practices without hassle. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough on how to change your password on Xero. Whether it's a move to enhance your digital security or simply an update of your login credentials, these steps ensure you do it efficiently and securely. Remember, staying proactive about your account security is the first step towards safeguarding your digital presence. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.